Here is the remote control for the E5 Dual. If we click on the search button, you can see here the search menu coming on the screen, and you can see here you can search by the number of the song number, or you can search by the name of the artist or song. And how you change this is to click on the jump button, okay? And here it is, jump. So if I click here now, you can see now it's an A. You can write a title, or if I jump back to the numbers, I can use the song number. And up here you can see you can search all songs among the 5,000 plus Tagalog and English songs. But if you only want the Tagalog songs, you can click on the menu on the remote control, and you can see here it changes to Philippines. Click again, you get the English pop songs and all. I do it again. I click on the menu button on the remote control. I get to Philippines, Tagalog songs. I click again, you get English pop songs, and you can search for among all the songs. And here you also have the voiced search. You have to speak very clearly, but that's an option as well. So that's how you can use the menu on the screen. I would, however, recommend you to use the mobile app, which is easy to use. Okay, thanks for watching, and enjoy your E5 Dual Magic Sing model.